Unfortunately, we lose one yesterday. So now only 2 is survive, and we're still praying for them.
Grieving families converged under one roof. They have lost 14 loved ones. Some of the victims were burned beyond recognition, and 2 are still fighting for their lives in a hospital. A young man who was the first person to arrive at the scene of the accident helped some of the injured. He had been described as a hero.
Already as a provincial na bakkie. So
when we arrived at the scene, the minibus and the bakkie had already caught fire. So we tried to stop. We took out a razor and cut off the seat belt of the driver of the bakkie. He was screaming and crying out for help. We took him out and the 2 others. Those who were in the taxi, they were already quiet. I was even shaking. Even now, I'm not okay. 8 of the deceased were in their staff transport on their way to work in Hoedspruit from Limpopo and Mpumalanga. The Limpopo government is leaving the necessary arrangements to the Mpumalanga government.
We are saying, Mpumalanga, we are with you in everything, though we are saying we are handing over. There are many things that must be done, and we are there to help them. So we are saying we are handing over all the processes, because there will be processes of counseling and everything. So they will be using their own social workers to go all over the families and everything. So as Limpopo was saying, everything is well. They can do whatever starting from today.
The Limpopo Department of Health is working with different stakeholders to fast-track DNA results to identify the deceased.
We have a team that is working at Letaba Hospital, and we're joined by the team from Pretoria, a team from Hoedspruit, and a team from Palabora, where we have started today, this morning. They have already collected the specimen, and we are here with the families, where they would also be taking their DNA samples so that they can be compared to the specimen that were taken, and then we start with the process of the test.
The Mpumalanga government is engaging with the affected families on the way forward.
We are in a process of engaging with the family so that will be granted that permission to conduct a mass funeral. So that is going to be easy for all of us, because all the affected people, there are 10 of them. They are from one village, one ward. Therefore, it's going to be to make the process easy for all of us, even the community, to come together and mourn together. So we hope that the family is going to give us that permission. We are in discussion with them.
The results of the DNA test are being conducted and are expected on Friday. Nhlamulo Mabasa, SABC News, Hoedspruit.